Great. Now you have Butterfingers. Alright, just drop it in the pan. Not the paper. Oh, goodness. There we go. We're good.
Here.
Now, that is going to sit there for a really long time. Unless we turn that oven on. We need 6 cups.
I want a marshmallow.
That's 4 cups,
I need to eat one.
I think.
Can I eat one, Daddy?
I guess that counts as 6.
Got a marshmallow, please.
You gonna eat your veggies tonight?
Uh-huh.
You can have 1 marshmallow. Not that marshmallow! Okay. Is it melted yet?
No. Oh, no.
What are you thinking, like 2, 3 hours?
Yeah.
Should we just come back tomorrow?
No. Marshmallow.
Alright, turns out we need 8 cups. So,
That's for dinner. What's one having for dinner?
you want marshmallows for dinner?
No, I was.
Alright,
No, for
now pour those in there too.
Oops. Okay.
Keep stirring. Stir and stir. Perfect. Those in there.
See those.
Perfect. All right, so we need some more Rice Krispie treats. Just fill it back up again. That's enough. And just like that, we learned something today. You gotta put it all the way on there. And just push it down and flatten it out. Smash it! Just push on it really hard, like, ah! All the way around, make it into a perfect square.
Yeah. Oops. Can I push it on? Hey! Is it good? You like it?
I think it's good.
It is. I'm not going to push it. Good.
Not that piece. Well.
Good.
Good.